Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 15, Arabic alphabet. In this video we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with that Arabic alphabet. Are you remember this word? This is Ta. This is Ta. Now we will try to read this letter with vowel signs. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, now try to read this letter with vowel signs. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. طا فتحة طا طا دم تو طا كسرة تي. Okay, now try to read together. طا تو تي. Now we will learn Arabic words that start with this letter. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one, طاولة, table. Let's repeat. طاولة, table. Okay, the next one, طالب, student. Let's repeat. طالب, student. Okay, the next one, طيف, ghost. Let's repeat. طيف, ghost. The next one, بطة, duck. Let's repeat. بطة, duck. Okay, the next one, وطن, homeland. Let's repeat. وطن, homeland. Okay, the next one, طيور, bird. Okay, let's repeat. طيور, birds. طيور, birds. Okay, the next one, طبول, drums. Let's repeat. طبول, drums. Okay, the next one, عطور, perfume. Let's repeat. عطور, perfume. Okay, the next one, بطيخ, watermelon. Let's repeat. بطيخ, watermelon. Okay, the next one, طفل, baby. Let's repeat. طفل, baby. Okay, congratulations. We have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and give thumbs up. Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.